Hi guys, in front of me is POCO X6 Pro and let me show you how to do fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and here select fingerprint unlock. Now you have to draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and if you don't, you will have to provide a new one. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor and keep tapping till it's fully added. And click on done. So that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.